Good morning ko akhui keno ngarang gi test matang da kitang hapet feedback nung ama de discuss tong na tawbani so horen amaga horen satra khar tha da wali ko satra moi I think satra tara mu su do male horen tha ga duje ka mahi ai ko ke til da dum tha do mali anam mana aduna adu tha lor kan horen nung dang go ai horen moi lo namak test tha lor kan sir no overall gi result thara ni and then noi parents ki kay obo group ta ine lo namak upload torani hai tare ko aduga parenting ju yon da biya de kay no di sir na already high with 100 angang amana NEET ki prepare to matam da ma mathanda na te my whole family my parents ni khang de siblings ni khang de and then ma na tam the whole institute magi any ozanung zadagi institute ki administrator de kay de everyone of the magi peer group ke kama and then my well wisher man loin mak yaw ni ne angang nung pass to the loin pass to mi ne fellow the loin fellow mi ne punna yan ta na angang amakhatangi amta nateba NEET am tharakpada whole hope ma'am je pull up moi ma'am gi ji successful oidini ade punong fail oidini ona that's do must you have to keep in mind and then let's start today's class sir na loso motion gi hazik phawda theory takulo igre so now we'll practice some questions from loso motion chapter ka and then aduga work energy power dum hojallani ka sir na khara thuna chatkani test ki schedule dagi ka khara yang na chakadani so loss of motion gi question khara le sida noina question atopa sida yaudaba hang ke sudum yai ka you're most welcome so loss of motion gi Newton's first law of motion noina ningjing agadi ke doba physical okay so asigi first question sum ai dong matang sum chat ke adu noina khang da yaw kanda ai aina yam laiman lagadi kan thoke ka adu noina dum tawsa dum tawsi ka mathang da sigi first question 1991 yam kena tore ka ai sorry anyway so sigi first question is kind of physical independence of force is a consequence of and have a ka the third law of motion law of force hamga independent in high so second law of motion first law of motion physical independence of force kari no have ma khang dragadi yaroi ka so again sigi question c kitang kano ne clear we wale physical independence of force ai ka mogi matam mangan da bida moi kai haige yeng si ka clear we wale sir first law khang da banate and then physical independence ki meaning khang da banate but moi haige Newton's first law of motion is related to physical independence of force and hai adun ta pudi moi haning is the question ji kitang phaja wale du physical independence of force ai anyway moi sida haning is akoi first law of motion gi understanding gi matung ina body amana motion da leiba matamda or rest leiba matamda force depend tawdeba independent of force ne ba ka hadi body amana accelerate tawge hagadi force depend taweba but as long as there is no force hadi sir na first law ji kai haigi habda if the net external force is zero then the body will have constant velocity have never aduna if the net external force is not zero adu di khang deba my velocity change tawsi ai tawdabje we don't know first law na kem ham deba di matanga but if the net external force is zero adu di harame net external force zero oi dabi di kem ham deba oiraga di harame oiraga di kedaba velocity constant oi ne ko so aduna velocity ko net external force zero oi bedo adu du ni moina physical independence of force na sida hining is ko so adu duma duaina adu di option di first law of motion tar ni ko so yare dudum yare then mathangda Newton second law of motion the base of question khara le so sigi question ji noi ngam gadra yengo ngamni har ga skip tawjing ngam moi har ga di tawji be responsive sasat launa kumo tawji bu har kaiba ngamni ko si sa
sir
okay ngamni hai ji mi amakhatangira na traga noi loi ngamatra haji ngamni khumai ji kenora sanjana ra rosmara
Niha ga ibani
sir
okay
Rosma
rosma su ngamani ko sa
sir
yare next tawji a stone is dropped from a height h, it hits the ground with a certain momentum p. If the same stone is dropped from a height 100% more than the previous height, the momentum when it hits the ground will change by. Siding amgadra, tawzira. Sazainaro.
Tawrasi, sir.
Tawrasebako. Okay, yam like si question si noi dum one shot ta question be abani hotrosi ai ko sarna thengba sarta to haraga adubu noi haber harake yam tien harake ko 100% more have the kaina magum adu 2 times or ane 100% more haram ni ko sida haise mana 100% more si important oi aduga noi na khanga da khar su lai so isa ji oi oi na kaina pham line straight ta chingba ngamak ti su kai stone is dropped from a height h. It hits the ground with a certain momentum p. Okay, fine. So now this is loss of motion ka and energy kara yaw with the question jiba. If the same stone is dropped from a height h 100% more than the previous height, the momentum with when it hits the ground will be in hamne ka. Sidagi thadare maigi adida magi momentum ji p ware ka. The 100% more hargadi twice h 2h thadar pata hargadi magi p dash to kai oini sine magi momentum momentum change the momentum gi percentage can increase to kani hamni let's say p2 minus let's say p divided by or p dash minus p by p into 100% is equal to what have a neighbor c neighbor minus of the so it's a big it's a very simple question kai simple hai je have the ying see sila sida thadarakadani boss sida so now kaidawi haba matamda akoina sigisi kaidawa magi uniform circular motion uniform circular motion haijine kinematic equation palasu yai ko constant acceleration ni leigadu natra aduna akoina v square c v square is equal to u square plus twice as and leibido adain tawna v square c kaino habida adum v square leijare ahambagi ko v1 square u1 square di kaino 0 lere plus 2 into z into h lere ko and second gisina kaino v2 square is equal to 0 plus 2 into z into twice h lere ko kaino di moina 100% more amina height se 100% more have the magumba 100% amaga absolu 100% haidi pulap ma masama hapsalo haiba chamane so adu lere ni adu ergadi kedoni have the v2 square se kai tarne have the 2 times of harga 2gh star v2 square se ko aduna magi kaidoba momentum ze momentum di kai orakani ha matamda koina p1c kaino p1c mass into m into v ne ba ko aduna m into v ni na m into harga c gi v di kaino root over 2gh star ba ko aduga p2 momentum 2 zina to ko kai oni have the m into b b1 m into b2 ne ba ko so m into b2 di amuga kaina have the m into harga magi v2 is the square root log matam da di kai lakani habada root 2 into again root 2 gh so maina dum harage adu oibata araga di kaino habada p2 da p1 na yelo adu di kai tarni p2 is equal to root 2 times of harga p1 hayabra yai ko aduna adu di kaina p2 minus p1 by p1 into 100% is equal to root 2 minus 1 times p1 ka by p1 into 100%. So cc ka kre auna 1.41 minus 1 divided by 1 ka into 100% hai tare ko adum hai di 1.41 minus si half to zero direct adum to san yare di 1.41 minus 1 into 100% which is equal to 41%. Gyan tahobra si se tahodo mi obra kaide ta de hero hero
Hi, sir.
Tani, sir.
okay great so noi kanno hono ko sarna tawisi phagi nateba adi noi kanno hono noi na mai di noi taseng na sarna successful heningi aduga ꯁꯔꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯩꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯗ ꯅꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯃꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯐꯨꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦꯅ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯏꯊꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯧ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯧ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯌꯁꯂꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯧ ꯁꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣ Question number 4 ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ A body under the action of a force this acquires an acceleration of this. The mass of this body must be. Force adudi my mass kai hoini khangbra shardi dum answer ji ubuga id no vector ka panjalam ya 10 root 2 answer 10 root 2 tar hochira yadra
Yarani sir.
khang sing kya
Oh sir.
kai no mass puto ke di force di mass into acceleration ni dana mass puto ke di force by acceleration 1 ne yelani si force da ado si force gi magnitude puto ke di root over 6 square plus h square plus 10 square tar ni 6 square 36 64 100 36 root over 200 of the 100 into 2 arga square root or the 10 root 2 tadra tai ko yele matangi di khalu gadra chain is being dropped on a conveyor belt at the rate of this the force necessary to keep the belt moving with a constant velocity of this will be have tawzira yadra saja hero
AMB dado sir.
Tadomande doctors mene to si keno ni Newton ki second law of motion ne ko Sidala isi kaino have the chain is being dropped from a conveyor belt at the rate of harga m kg per second. Okay, the force necessary to keep the belt moving with a constant velocity of b meter per second. So adu with harga di magi kay hani have the dm by dt is pirame manaka m ne m kilogram per second hai tarko so cg m is name important or is ka force necessary to keep the belt moving with a constant velocity. Now, kung Newton gi second law gi matungin ako na kay khangi ha matamda m a plus b dm by dt is equal to f ne hadane si khangbra asi pot se akoy na skip tawgib do kay no di mass to change tawdamnina handak mukti mass to change tawramnina si kano hap to di yaroy ba gyan tai tade
Sure.
Taika okay fine. So now sige pot se sir sige kano tawgib pa Now, okay, do we have the moina velocity constant? I mean, sige tam 0 sakre ko m into 0 plus b dm by dt is equal to f. Now, dm by dt is the kay sinjalani m capital M sinjalani. Since dv by dt is equal to 0, kay no di velocity constant or even velocity is constant. Yare ko. That since velocity is constant hai velocity constant in C pose 0 sakri ne yarba adu b do moin kai dum puto haise force puto ara adu di kai tare adu noi sumain khallaga raba aji da hai do yam nei hai do force lo velocity puto ai na tro force lo audi mb tare I'm sorry ai to velocity puto ji kai na gyan ta hobra
Oh sir.
yare ko si se yanarbo
Oh sir, yarani.
Oh, sir.
Next, question number 5 to great. Question number 60. Yung sasat yung pat yung adu ngamni ha gadi matang to din. an object of mass this is at rest mass now force amne apply to sale the my velocity is after 3 seconds kai ui no ngamudra ngamoidra okay kamain to ni sa ke mass si pyramid 3 kg ko now force and pyramid applied on the object then velocity of now sigi aina force da sigi mass ina yenjiladi kai fangani acceleration fangani acceleration dagi velocity puto ko yaroidra tawzira tawroizira hairo sa hairo tawzira tawzira
Tawze.
tawzira okay tawzira 6 by 3 t square I cap plus 4 by 3 t z cap 6 by 3 d 2 tare na ka so c c kai no dv by dt ne ba sis ganda guys so dv by dt is equal to 2 t square I cap plus 4 by 3 t z cap ne ba ka the dv by dt now velocity at 3 t second hamne adudi aina v pamagadi kai wini amatamda 2 t square harga integration tawani ko aduga magi I cap adum exertion 4 by 3 t z cap adum exertion dt tawani integrate tawani ko integrate tawani dv har integrate tawani side ani makta so adudi my velocity vector is kai tawani have the t increase to it again 2 by 3 t cube tarani I cap plus harga 4 by 3 into t square by 2 tarani buka gyan tabrai se and then sigi si z cap tarani aduga pot si kaino have the sigi si the velocity si at t equal to 3 second ne buka t equal to 3 ni na sigi si da su t equal to 3 palani sigi si da su t equal to 3 palani aduga the velocity t equal to 3 is equal to harga 2 by 3 into kaido haidi t equal to 3 then 0 haidi quite first raise the level na ana 2 cube minus 0 cube tarni 2 cube minus 0 cube to 0 cube to the height is yadi yarabani but dum haijal lage ko the 3 into 2 6 haijal lage cgc na 6 ka haroge direct 1 by 3 haroge chini ka kreba chigi 2 jina shi ka kre 2 by 3 2 to the 4 ka adana 2 by 3 tarni harga mathang da muka kai 2 square minus 0 square harga sigi sina j cap tare ko so aduraga di 2 cube t 2 cube t 8 8 to 16 so 16 by 3 I cap plus harga yaudraban sarda kind of sorry ko is ko 2 square di 4 4 to the 8 8 by 3 j cap tare ko is applied now if force of this is applied on the object then velocity of object at t equal to 3 second have a name ko so kind of sure ying si kai the force pyramid force by mass so 6 by 3 t square yare aduga amana 4 4t by 3 ne ko ana 4 by 3 tore aduda akoina acceleration fange acceleration z 2 ga 4 by 3 ga yare now acceleration di dv by dt ni odi som dt togre aduna velocity putoke haragadi so and then velocity of so velocity putoke haragadi ke doni have the integrate torni so 2 haraga t square do amuk integrate ka acceleration velocity distance difference with the acceleration ne kumdar ko integrate and torni Audi t cube by 3 tare so 2 by 3 into aina 2 logic 3 haraga damn I'm sorry she's 3 na draw t equal to Kumo natro kayino si logthokpa yadija. What happened? Yes. Yarbo ma'am, yaribo. Si 3 cube ni si na 3 square neba. Audi 3 cube si the 3 na ka di 3 adudi kay dorane. Si adum dare adum answer adum ya. Si the soil em tawis. Audi 3 square 992 the 18 tare, then 3 into 2 the 6 tare. 6 ke. Option number B tare. Gyan tabro ta da bro. Moi kanggu ji ta ta de handi. Kang khumuk ti ji kay gina.
Yes, sir.
Gyan tabra ba.
Tai.
Tai ko. Yadro si se. Kumna ro me. Yadra ba.
Sir.
Sir.
Okay. Next arrow, question number 7 ji. A cricketer catches a ball of mass 150 gram in 0.1 second moving with speed this, then he experiences a force of blah blah. Cheating am gadrang amoidra. Tausira.
Sir.
Yani. Okay, question number 80. Ada no yadaba mi yawde dum haru so dum tawni ba amana yai haraga adi noi loina mangna yani haraga so amatang yade ha pudum tawgadoi ne ko aduna noi ne tawning ba question do haro aduga tawzi maka haro question number 7 yani ham question number 80 yadra yong tang yong noi keno to is ni haga sanjana ga si phone amadang de yengminai ro na traga laptop gumbra
Tablet.
tablet okay tablet odi ka faidana phone amada mi ni ni nungai ro hagi to laptop gumba tablet gumba dia. Okay, so question number 8 CD. What about question number 8? If the force on a rocket moving with velocity of this is this, then the rate of combustion of the fuel is high. Tauzira, yadra?
Yani.
Yani. Yani. Ajila kumasi ko. Question number 9 CD. Suzaro. Question number 9. Yung paro, do ngamgadro. Question number 9 yung ko. A. Bullet is fired from a gun. The force on the bullet is given by this, where F is in Newton, T is in seconds. The force on the bullet becomes zero as soon as it leaves the barrel. What is the average impulse imparted to the ball? Tauzira. Impulse is change in momentum. Niko noi khangbra. Ado khang di sigi question sida F into T tawba yaba question ado ana semba oram siya. So yengasi kana sisa. I don't know. Okay, anyway. Hiro. Question number 9 Hiro. No yam kuino post la igino question number 9 Hiro. Tauzira yadra.
Sir.
Okay, fine. Question number 9 no a bullet is fired from a gun. Yeah, the force on the bullet is given by where F is in Newton. The force on the bullet becomes zero as soon as it leaves the barrel. Okay, what is the average impulse imparted to the ball? And I have named Okay, fine. So adu bitaragadi impulse puthoyamni force piram 20. The force on the bullet becomes zero as soon as it leaves the barrel. Yeah, what is the average impulse imparted to the ball? Okay, so F force into time impulse t. Mais é. Até que é pirâmide então is impulse is equal to F into T, or impulse equal to change in momentum nebako avuna dp harsi which is equal to p2 minus p1 harsi bako change in momentum avdi magi final momentum si magi sidagi puthoni aduga mai initial momentum di zero ni na final momentum dum tarni so ai p1 di ma zero ni rest leibani na ko aduna final momentum puthoni so final momentum zi kamain puthokani habda force mass into action my mass nung ju kan piram deu ko force becomes zero the force become kan zero yeng ji ko F equal to 0 implies 600 minus 2 into 10 to the power 5 t is equal to 0 implies t is equal to 600 divided by 2 into 10 to the power 5 so C2 the 3 tare then 3 into 10 square 10 to the power minus 2 tare ni kaino di is minus 5 sida 2 toroga d minus 3 have a ko 10 to the power minus 3 tare ni is ko this is t ne ko auna C pot C average impulse putho hamina C hapsan gadoine force into time ko force into time aduna therefore aham formula same seasonality impulse is equal to this which is equal to the 600 minus 2 into 10 to the power 5 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 DC 600 adum tare minus 3 to the 6 10 to the power 5 minus 3 di adum 600 tare the 0 tare answer is so the right answer is 0 gyan tabro sise ha gyan tabra harga kumakti se kai hello hey doina kumdabje tawgunu harga nei class yauribo yaudribo
Yawe, sir.
kai kumakti di de yausulaga sum kena adwain tawgunu gyan tar tai tadren ta de haroba so sisi gyan ta hobraba
Oh, sir.
question sida haji moina haji kena the force on the bullet becomes zero as soon as it leaves the barrel so the moment I maji kaino have adum sisi hota ju ai zero ta ni na khangadam ne kai munna paragadi ko sir kitang munna powdre have the as soon as it leaves I the ek kap the force on dhag pirena next instant the maji dum kai do re matam da force zero igreba aduna for hadi kene time do sungai leitreba aduna force into time ne but t do zero or ni na adum impulse zero or ne ba gyanda ita de
Tai.
tare ko rosma di sum kumakti ji kai gino rosma class yauri ba
Tai sir.
okay makators question number 10 jing ngamgudro a 5000 kg rocket is set for vertical firing. The exhaust speed is 800 meter per second to give an initial upward acceleration of 20 meter per second square. Amount of gas ejected per second to supply the needed thrust will be ngamgudro sat arrow ngamgudro tawdiba ngamni hadi kandiba
Namni, sir.
okay next arrow question number 11 a force of 6 newton acts on a body at rest and of mass 1 kg during this time the body attains a velocity of 30 meter per second the time for which the force acts on the body is the change in momentum putho aduga kenona force na yellow the time phangani tawzira tawrojira sasairo
Yarani, sir.
yarni ko question number 11 jo. Okay, question number 12 ti. Says it, I don't know, question number 12.
Yarani, sir.
Yarni. Question number 13. Yam lai is mass puto kedi force the acceleration na yellow. Tar.
10 by
Oh,
2.
sir.
Sidi ngasai question du sama na draw.
Ten over 2.
Sama na mo ni kai na ani thong no kena to jiba. Di sigi sama na. 2009 ga kaya ga da hangba 1996 ga da ado sama question ani thong is kai gina. Sidi in a rocket fuel burns at the rate of this fuel is ejected from the rocket with a velocity of this exerts a force on the rocket equal to aside higadra. Sida piriba 1 kg per second dm by dt ni ko Newton ki second law pandoi ni gi ajiki dm by dt ne pyramid. Sazaino
Yarani, sir.
Yani ya. Okay, question number 15 di. A satellite in force-free space sweeps stationary interplanetary dust at the rate of this, where m is mass and v is speed of satellite and alpha is a constant. The acceleration of satellite is 7. Sir, hainaro yadra. Rosmani ngasai dai amta hakti kai.
Yani sir.
Sir gizi yani haro tinati ko tasing na noi ngamni haragadi skip tawdoi ni ngam haragadi tawdoi. Aduna kwai fabadi sir na theory takloi baga noi na hana loi practice tawthuragadi noi da sigi pdf si lainadabra or asigi pdf sigi wanate sir na noi da like layo have layraba 37 years kida.
Oh, later, sir.
Okay, kana laidaba yauri nihalai hajikido sanjanara nihara
Niha.
niha sanjana di layraba
Lay, sir.
layeba. Okay, Rosmagi di laybra
Lane sir.
Nivea se ngasai dai keno to Nivea kha thieng na changpai Nivea gi di leibra Nivea tabra
Oh, sir, lay.
leibu ko Nivea khon kitang ma kitang keno to ri male. So anyway ising asaba tho duga dagi lumna leibu ko na kitang tu na parab na ba. So question number adune sir na haiji kena sir na theory taklo ga noi na solve to ngam ba gai solve ji long to tho ga noi khang da ba xc ma di sir da hange khot ke na do aina to sula ga di speed su aroi bi da tu na chat pa ju ngam mani noi gi ju haidi noi yam tu na haidi pa na kana bu lo ngam mani hata au na ta bi noi preparation to da bi da sum class yaw in to ga di hamu dum tar to ka ni da sir gi di hamu to ba gi engon da patience kem ta leitre hata to je ha ga di phajana to si noi ju pa na thawai yaw ro adana to ji aduga no thawai to bo ga di kem that there is no point in continuing this sessions ka aduna phajan thawai ro sir layo have to adugi like to layer ni na ji layer ni no hotlo khang da bo to sir da hango adu class ta khatang hang gadam ne have leite adum engon thazul la ga sir si gyan ta de khote no hang pe ai ka aduga adain to si so question number 15 si tawzira yadra hairo. Question number 15 is Tawzira Yadra Saza Hero Sadaro.
Sao question pari?
Question Pari, par do par.
Yarani sir.
Yani habiti tawdusu yani hera.
Oh.
Okay, fine. So question number 16 jidi. Aduga sir gi se 2021 bawdang yawgum tawbune ba. Auna 22, 23, 24 gi do noina noigi asgi anawdu de yawamne ba. Adu question du sir du lay ba ko. Aduna noina sir sigi question jena tawjena 2024 da hangba question am yawe or 2023 da 2022 da hangba am yawe si gyan ta de sir tawje haro adum tawje ba ko ai si da adum scan to adum yani ba tawje ko. So okay, anyway question number 16 jidi 16 and 17 yo sasat yenga sasat haro. A particle of mass m is moving with a uniform velocity v1. Okay, it is given an impulse such that its velocity becomes v2. Okay, the impulse is equal to have
Yani sir.
option kai tare hero dudi yani hagade sidi kem honi ga yaude kai tane hero
D da.
d tare ko d natro
Oh,
Oh sir D.
mb2 minus mb1 na ko adumai na tore. Okay, fine. Matang da kaino have the change in momentum. Okay, yeah. So matang the question number 17 jidi. Question number 17 jidi. A 600 kg rocket is set for vertical. Chama na mang sai. Yo ngam mo ha gi tawdin ngam ni ha gi skip tawdin.
Yarani sir.
Yani third law motion yore. So third law motion is jidi. A rigid ball of mass m strikes a rigid wall at 60 degree. So in blah blah, the value of impulse imparted by the wall on the ball will be have. 18 से ज्ञान ताब्रे हूँ तो ज़्यादा तो जी तो ये हूँ चीज़ इन्होंने ने momentum change in momentum पादुनी final momentum minus initial momentum. So final momentum दा केदोनी या मतम दा सीगी मागी सी vector जी result तो उधर सोम दा sorry माना सीगी vector जी result तो उधर सीधा अमलानी सी vector result तो सीधा अमलानी और न सीगे cancel चक्र कान सीगे खंगाय और नहीं. So सीधी कहीं ना है सीधा 60 ले डी सीधा कहीं ले नहीं सीधा 30 ले नहीं auna cos 30 degree ni and see the 60 layer see the 30 twice cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree no sin the root 3 by 2 into 2 the root 3 ta ani ka auna bz kaya no mo pyramid the value of impulse imparted by the wall. Okay do get the oh cz sum tawde ba ka aduna cos soidara b cos 30 degree have a minus final moment oh siga minus to na diba ko oh na siga okay adudi kaino ni ko cos 60 ni plus to na ni so half plus half t 1 adudi answer si mb ta gyan taw bra taw zera
Yarani sir.
yadru singabo
See.
singe. Okay. Question number 19 jiding a body of mass m hits normally a rigid wall with velocity v and one break with similar the impulse experience. Yeah. Question number 19 jing mudra. Designer.
Ngami sir. Sila momentum.
Then Sigi 2006 tang was it? Question number 20 is a 0.5 kg ball moving with speed this strikes a hard wall at an angle of this. It is reflected with the same speed at the same angle. If the ball is in contact with the wall for this many seconds, the average force acting on the wall is 7.
Ngamani.
Question number 21. A body of mass 3 kg hits a wall at an angle of this and returns at the same angle. The impact time was this. The force exerted on the wall is. So no isi angle section look some 60 or this 30 or gadini. So no dumna section gadam ne. So question number 21 jing am gadra ngam moidra. Third law is question number hot po hot train loing am mani hai. So question number 21 is ngam gadra ngam moidra haro.
Sorry, she's a hot.
She's hot. Okay. Aina third law yam hot tray have to dra.
Nothing.
Okay. So 60 a body of mass 3 kg hits a wall at an angle of 60 degree and returns at the same angle. Impact time was this. So force exerted on the wall. Force T M haraga ni ko akoina force C dp by dt ni yare ko net external force dp by dt ni dana. So magi see M B 3 kg hits a wall at the same angle. The impact time was 0.2 hibernable ko aduna so d by natragana sumani use aida impact time pyramid mana ko. So P2 minus P1 by T2 minus T1 har CI ko sisino ngawgo da quiz kari no ikai nam jalurage T2 minus T1. So minus the 10 meter per second pyramid ko velocity say mass na 3 ni auna 30 tare 30 harga pot si kaino habda mazi aina ziksi result tawji sida ama lerni sigi pot si sida ama lerni ko aduna somgi ani hidi cancel chakrani hata somgi ani ji khatang ne ko aduna 30 harga kaino ni ko som side te window zira cos 30 tare 2 times of mishi gyanta ga da taroidra 2 into tani ko si 2 into m d3 and then cos 30 degree divided by time again time is 0.2 adi 3 into half hai tare ko adi 3 tare 3 divided by 0.2 di 2 into 10 adi 15 15 di outdabra aina into sorba mai ko yenge ko anyway IJK do intorge ko soidana ba. So she cancel with each other. Oh, I final the initial to the soigraba. Anyway, yings. Si tien le na ko. Si tien le then kay le ni have the si aina kay gumba kano lower ga d som gi si minus x 10 harga minus 10 I cap minus 10 j cap minus harga 10 I cap si gi positive ni ko again minus 10 j cap si ta ni ko divided by total time 0.2 si ta re kyan tai ko. So aina to si 10 have the array kano ni ko si angle zi piram de ni 10 cos 30 hai ta sorry kai sorry no phalong na ta ya bse matam ma trying to zi si 10 le na ko si the 60 le ga di ne angle zi si the 60 le ga di si the 30 le di ne ba okay si the angle zi 30 le di ne ba ko and si the 60 le ga di si the 60 le ni and si the 30 le ni ba ko si the 30 le ni si the 60 le ni okay fine yare adu oiba targadi siga di cancel out to sakrani wa siga ne ba hingo du jina tra aduna sin 60 rgi natragana cos 30 rgi cos 30 di root 3 by 2 ne ko adu gini aina cos 30 ji kamain to ino masagi du dum tawrage se ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ 2 into 3 into ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ MB 네ꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯏꯅꯅꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅꯅꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯝꯇꯪꯒ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯔꯥ MB2 minus MB1 by T2 minus T1 ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅ so M ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ M ꯁꯤ 3 네ꯕ 3 into ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ again ꯁꯤ minus ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤ opposite ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤ plus ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 2 times of ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ B ꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ 30 ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ M into B 네ꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ C ꯑꯗꯨꯝ 10 ꯑꯗꯨꯝ 이ꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ √3 by 2 ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯕ and then divided by 0.2 ꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯕ so 2 ꯒ 2 ꯒ cancel ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ then ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ 15 150 √3 ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ 150 √3 ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ 3 into 10 30 니나 30 ꯗ 시기 2 ꯅ divide ꯇꯧꯔꯣ 15 ꯇꯥꯔꯦ the point ꯗꯣ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯩ 10 ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯦ 150 ꯇꯥꯔꯦ √3 ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ
ꯁꯥꯔ
so 시시ꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯅꯣꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯕ 시기 ꯚꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯦ 시시ꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ 마이너스ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ 시기 ꯚꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯦ 마이너스 ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ 시기 ꯚꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 마이너스 ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ 시가 ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ but 시 ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ add ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 시ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ 시시 10 cos 30 네ꯕ 시주 10 cos 30 네ꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤ add ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯤ 마이너스 ꯇꯧꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯅ opposite direction add ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯗꯦ ꯉꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ निबिया ज्ञान ताब्रो निबिया जी ताद्र माल रोस्मा ज्ञान ताब्रा निबिया जी तो खुमगे तो खुमक्ट्रे निबिया ताब्रा
ताई सर
ज्ञान जु ताब्रा
ताई सर
कहे है नो निबिया नंग खुमी जो ताद्रे ने निहागा संजना दी तारबो
सर ताई
ओके तो निहागा संजना का मकोन वॉइस लाउड एंड क्लियर होय रोस्मा जु क्लियर होय निबिया ये फन ताद्रे मकोन एनीवे fine so yo next arrow conservation of momentum हाइदी कइनो net external for 0 orgadi magi total linear momentum do dum conserve hoini have ko so adu orgadi si next arrow question number 22 jingam dira tawzira sir
सर तौजे
okay see the high an object flying in the air with velocity this suddenly breaks in two pieces whose masses are in the ratio this the smaller mass flies off with the velocity of this the velocity of the larger piece will be okay fine so can you have the aham velocity c sinika aduna akon be do kai tani have ko so anyway sure gadi kuina m into v m into u is equal to m1 b1 plus m2 b2 this is conservation of linear momentum ne ko aduna sumaila ani ko kaino di total momentum before braking kaino ma kai is internal force ne net external force kem leite ba aduna magi initial labor momentum da after kedoba explosion da su adum same total momentum naini and momentum ji it's a vector quantity aduna maji kedoba mana resolve toraga horen net momentum da ngasai kaidring ei mamang da lay momentum do chap mana ni ko so aduna di kedoni habda mai m do oningbo isono going sorry m oningbo obia de mg ina 6 then lower get 1 plus 5 6 ni go 6 lower get and then magi sike not 20 I cap plus 25 z cap minus 12 k cap lere m1 z 1 ni 1 di da su yare aduna smaller mass kidi pirame 100 I cap plus 35 Z cap plus 8 K cap anako aduga plus harga 5 into kayano khangde x I cap plus y Z cap plus Z K cap nebako so sisini adudi answer tar basidi tadriba answer yam light adudi kaino habda x I cap plus y Z cap plus Z K cap si kai tarni 6 into 2 the 120 I cap minus 100 I cap plus 25 into 6 6 5 30 6 to 12 13 14 15 150 150 Z cap minus 35 Z cap plus CD plus nati CD minus la ani ko amaze minus na horabni na minus 6 to 12 72 K cap minus 8 K cap sitarni audi kai tare CD 20 I cap minus 15 Z cap minus 80 K cap 20 15 80 ज्ञान ताउद्रे ज्ञान ताब्रा तादब्रा हाइनरो
तानी
तानी रोस्मा तानी है अतैदी संजना निहा निव्या हाइनरो
Sir, sir, answer gì ổn à?
कई दो बा
Four.
ओ आंसर से सर ने जी प्लस हो के तुमने मित थक पे नहीं प्लस हो के
Ý
तुम
đã đâu mà.
तार बजे क्या
Nó thế. Sir, ý đã đâu mà lại.
ये तादों वाला
À, mà khao hả thơ cái đâu yàn kìa kì nhỉ.
नहीं है जी कहीं नो 5 million दो वाली बा
Ồ,
ये I'm sorry मुझे जो सी के जहाँ से लेने नहीं मुझे किन तो से लेने तो ये एग्जाम दो लियो सर वो दी एग्जाम में तो ये केम काई देगा सर ने सुबह दी केम काई दे सर ने मिथक दी केम काई दे नुई ने मिथ दी मार्क पंग उजनी अदुना नुई यानी है होय अखोई दी कंसेप्ट तो सोई बनते का दीवानी so see 5 नहीं है दो वाले 1 by 5 see the sim सोई बा अन्य सोई में 5 4 20 5 3 15 5 1 5 5 6 30 कहीं नो सी से 150 ना ड्रॉ कहीं ना 150 दा अभी 5 3 15 150 ना तीन I'm sorry 150 minus 35 ने बुको अदुदी 100 का 15 ला 5 layer cost so 5 4 minus 3 125 5 plus 5 10 3 4 5 6 no they 115 chumi gina that's all 5 plus 5 10 3 plus 1 4 chumi did you see the 5 na kadi 5 to 10 5 to 15 yes 23 so option number 8 tare ko so sumain to tara do thank you you can to ro poi ko point out to so adudi yo taram ni na ma'am lo ni yaren lo yar ba si ki sa
sir. Sir,
hello
2022기 question naman. Sige, ludo mali. Hay daw
okay
mali.
2022 ki question ma so noi hapetang photo ka ba thara kira whatsapp ta
Hoy, sir.
tharo
Thark.
sengna kapo ko kitang sengna kapo aduga phaidabida chumna dum chumna kapo chumna aduga tharo group ta tharasu yai personal in tharasu yai ko tharo hajik phodi yoroktre Yore. Inga thare. Oh, CC initiative to the Puyar again. Desktop. CC. Page is single. Okay. Can you ubra? Screen ubra?
Oh, sir, wait.
Okay, a shell of mass m is at rest initially. It explodes into 3 fragments having mass blah blah blah. If the fragments have equal mass, having equal mass fly off along mutually perpendicular directions with speed b. The speed of the third fragment is okay. It's a very simple question. So towards z. No. Okay. So towards. Now, mass m initially it explodes into 3 fragments having mass in the ratio 2:2:1 and I have label ko. Una aina si pot si 2 3 4 5 mass si 5 ni na lower si yai natraga na m by haraga kedoba m by nate 5 by 2 by 5m 2 by 5m and 1 by 5m na ko ado ain tor si yai no epamani. So mass ki ratio is m1 is to m2 is to m3 is equal to, you may take it to be 2 by 5 is to 2 by 5 is to 1 by 5 and a ko. Now si plus to matak si pull up si 5 taramani 2 plus 2 plus 1 di 5 maka 5 ko talaga di total mass so m dum tazar and a ko. If the fragments have equal mass flying off is initially at rest aduna m1 by the total mass to m1 plus m2 plus m3 ji moi to total ji punna kai dile me ba rest le me ko u is equal to haraga if the fragments having equal mass fly off along mutually perpendicular direction aduna ke do we have the mass you see rest le me au de ngatang le ke do ba sida ama pai thokre sida ama pai thokre au di obviously third subudo sida pai thora ne pai leite si pai thokta ne adu kai ne moi equal mass ne ba ana mag is kaino ha matamda 2 by 5 m into kaino v si ju kaino 2 by 5 m into v neba adu rega si sina 1 by 5 m into haraga watt sine puthwais gyan tabra gyan tai ko aduna takpadi akoina sisi kamaina solve togani ha matamda azik even ai si gi posinoi khangam ni na sida matam id step mangaloroge direct adum tawsalage ko taw matam sida akoina aziki nangna ikep jkep kai kama ma palaga torji ai ko sigi azik aina sigi potse 1 by 5 m je magi component ji amana somda chalani amana somda chalani ba awna si ni ji cancel out chatna gadam ni si ni ji cancel out chatna gadam ni kai gino habda rest lai gadam ni zero ta gadam ne ba kai no de ahambada initially at rest lai mi awna magi conservation of linear momentum gi matungina after explosion the total momentum zero ta gadam ne ba individual particle individual parts singi momentum zero ta draga zu momentum je vector ni na magi ji cancel out or zero dum tarakani bu ko aduna di kaino ha matamda if the fragments have equal mass fly off along mutually perpendicular directions with speed b the speed of the third fragment is adu di magi speed c m into v c ji kai ta ga doino ha ne bu ko so it's a very simple question ana koina kai ta ni ha matamda obviously cc masa manare ana sida chalani on obviously c is 45 degree sungsungai soidan tarni c is 45 degree dum tarni ko aduna di nungai 45 targa di natra so 45 degree tani have di khangi ko exactly me ida paithura kani o kaino di mabani masa maname cancel out na so aduna kaila ni have the 1 by 5 m haraga c gi v je ikhang de ko na v cos 45 degree should be equal to suppose let's say c is cos 45 nen kalajan c is kaina 2 by 5 mb ne ko c is na v dash ne I don't know what is this so v dash again amasizu dum chamane 1 by 5 m v dash sine 45 degree. This is sine ko. Sine 45 degree is equal to again 2 by 5 mb oiduneba ko. Aduna potsi c ani sidai aina kai habi ai matamda 1 by 5 mb dash ko. Even okay, I am cos 45 degree 1 by root 2 natra is equal to 2 by 5 mb. So any maksidagi equation amakatang de dum solve towards yeah, and equation one equation is enough to solve this question. Ka adum chamana answer jum chamana mm ka kre ana v ds puto ke haragadi 5 so ka kre ka aduna kaita ne abda 2 root 2 tare ka 2 root 2 v tare gyan tabro si se ngaubra yengo gyan tabre yengo nga adi gyan tadre so hero kaida gyan tade have the so hero taragana tai hero kari
Tarani.
tarani buko.
Oh.
Okay, fine. So atay adudi next or see next see or see ka next yengo hainaro atay kam tawsige akhoy asi tawgre ka next haro question number 23 di adra question number 23 24 paro aduga yani yaro haro 23 dice an explosion breaks a rock into 3 parts in a horizontal plane. 2 of them go off at right angles to each other. The first part of 1 kg moves with this, and the second part of 2 kg moves with this. If the third part flies off with this, then its mass is my mass. Very simple. Total mass butwa hai. Third part ki mass butwa hai. Yare yamla. Hajikidu ko dum hape dum manai. Question number 23 jing amgadro tawsiro saja ainaro. Noi hana theory do fazana revise tawrakta yaroiko mamangi previous class ani do adi recorded session do yengdana noi nasana practice ka tawraga noi khangdaba question gai hoche hamne natabida each and every question hol lega de muka ko syllabus to test ki schedule duga match to bangam maroi aduna akoina advance ni chat ke haragadi kitang noi na ju khara work tawrakta re ko haro question number 23 je yadro
Oh, sure.
yani question number 24 di. A person holding a rifle, mass of person and rifle together is 100 kg, stands on a smooth surface and fires 10 shots horizontally in 5 seconds. Its bullet has a mass of 10 grams with a muzzle velocity of 800 meters per second. The final velocity acquired by the person and the average force exerted on the person are. Haro ngamni adi to you skip to dining ngam wa hagana sir hote haro
Tausi.
to se buka chumra si okay. All right. A person holding a rifle makes mass of a person and rifle together is 100 kg. Stands on a smooth horizontal surface. Some rifle umpire got capture any man in the and fires 10 shots horizontally in 5 seconds. See answer. Achumba yaw the question if I remember correctly. its bullet has a mass of this with the final velocity acquired by the person and the average force exerted on the person are. So anyway, now we have the initial mass, the person, rifle, everything race initial momentum 0 ni ka. Final momentum di ani equal and opposite oina gadabni aduna person ga gun ga gi total ji kaina 100 kg na tra rifle ga aduna 100 stands on a smooth orange surface and fires 10 shots in 5 seconds. Each bullet has a mass of this and velocity of this. Aduna person gi maning da halakpagi recoil velocity to person du gi koi khangde. So B haizalage is equal to harga ngasai gi each bullet has a mass of 10 gram mass with a muzzle velocity of 800. Adu taragadi obviously C 0 and easy kakre aduna 80 kari 0 ga 0 kakre and V is equal to okay, V is kamayan chocolate 10 into 800. Okay. V is equal to 80 tabaka. Yes, 80 tani chume. Okay, fine. So, this is V1 ebuka. Now, V1 C kaitani have the sidagi queen of V1 is equal to 80 meter per second tar. Yes. Now, matang ung si matang na initial magi kano se. Initial Z kaitani have matam da 100 into 80 should be equal to magi total momentum ne buka aduna ahamada magi hadi kaino habda sungkap kaptringai da di kai lei ha matam da ko ai si noine kitang hena gyan tana mong do thamge ko natragadi noi ngani total momentum 0 ne horakpa da ko rest le man du kaptura matung da di kai lei ne matam da minus aduna 100 into B harga minus I cap haizalage ko maning halena aduga gun gi zina kai laini sorry gun person gina si lere ko minus I cap aduga bullet kina 10 gram ni and then mazi 100 meter per second ni aduna I cap harge ko my velocity duna 100 na 800 sorry 800 aduna kai lai have da muniyengo aduna DC I cap asi asom chakra plus olani so aduna di kuina kai fangi the V1 so this is aina kai nena harage is V1 and harage ka so V1 is equal to harga 80 meter per second ana higher yare ka maning halai so adu evita harga di CC gi magi vector ngatani ko momentamize ana magonda minus I cap se dum hapage B1 harga CC kaino tawni maning da halapani na B1 ni magnitude puthoy but maning hale so sile dagi mathang da kai leini final du di kai hoini have the 100 into V2 harga minus I cap adum naiduni plus harga adum 10 into 800 adum haiduni aduga maidi dum I cap adum oigaduni buka aduna kedo we have the it implies 100 mams going ka cro 100 ka kre 100 ka kre 100 ka kre and then V2 puthoke harga di V2 I cap si I cap suloin ka kre buka aduna kay leire habda B2Z C minus ni asom pugro and C gi minus C asom puro aduti 80 plus 80 di 160 ay tare ko 2 into 80 tare so V2 is equal to harga 160 minus I cap never ko CC su ay meter per second ya hapoge kitang clear o ino mong ko ige CC gyan tariba noi gyan tabduni khoi maru isiko duna gyan tabre ngo mathang deida amuka kai lerni habda even she have to see yadi abjani dako 100 into 160 minus I cap is equal to 100 into B3 minus I cap plus 10 into 100 I cap. I see 10 gram was a subtract into Taudranica. I do a gadi Sidai Kaitane have the B3 is equal to Harga 160 the Chicana 10 into 100 and drum. But 10 into 800 is ka. On 100 ka 100 ka 100 ka cre. Aduna B3 put okay harga D kayo ini have the 160 ka 80 she's 2 into 80 like 8 into 10 80 she plus la ka on a sigi sida 80 is the 160 to 3 into 1 3 into kano tare 3 into 80 tare ka aduga minus I cap tare even a sigi steps ka thalage aduga kaktat pe mo the copy tor hapage sine khar kitang systematic way we hele ka doing so makha tarakpada akoina aduna kai haiba ngami habda therefore b arga kya 5 shots 10 shots on v10 si kayo ni habda 10 kaino di v1 si 1 v2 na 2 v3 na 3 adi v10 ni 10 into 80 arga minus I cap oiba ka aduna which is equal to is everything all right? Yes, meter ka then kg meter per second and this aigi aham baisi 80 meter per second kitang chawman dra chawmal le but aham bijin okay amazin 800 or gadi 80 zidum yadi I can okay you know have the total momentum forward momentum see 800 see oh amazi gram niko I'm really sorry yang kana soy bidin natte CC 1000 neva 10 gram do kg do lagadi 1000 kani auna sigi 0 ani ka kre 0 ani 0 mo ka kre dcc 8 katang ta hore ko auna 8 by 100 neva cc ko aduna 8 by 100 orgadi 0.8 0.8 oigadiba 0.8 aduga cc 10 by 1000 neva ko aduna CC to 0.8 ni aduga sigisina 100 into sigi 80 and in low is 0.8 or katabaka swear in a munay odre 0.8 auna sisu adum 0.8 ni adurga di si 2 into 0.8 tare 80 gi mapakudingi 0.8 dum hapane tare ka auna 2 into 0.8 3 into 0.8 sumain to na 10 into 0.8 araga minus I cap tare aduna this is the velocity so 10 into 0.88 tare ba ko gen ta right sa auna 10 into 0.88 I cap tare have the or 8 meter per second 8 meter per second ka and then backward direction that minus 8 I cap tare so answer yaudre to sida answer yaudre is the final velocity acquired by the person final velocity is 8 meter per second oigidam kaino 10 into to ko din ko yaudre and then amana kaino have the average force exerted on the person are so average force have see akwina kamaina sigi sida hot kani ha matamda average force average ko average force ye ina kaidoni have the ngai ngasai total kaino do change in momentum do adudugi kaino do ne low bi ko total hai tare ko aduna total change in momentum by total time dp delta p by delta t or you can say p2 is just kadoba p2 PF minus PI kainaga harsi ai ko ana PF minus PI total change in momentum divided by total time capital T harage ko so aduna total momentum haitare ko ngasai gido adududi kai leini ha matamda ngasai cc final velocity acquired by the person ga keno 100 into 8 c asom da chalani ko auna 100 into 8 c minus I cap or any ko c na pf ni aduga pi di kaino pi di initial momentum di 0 ne aduna c dum tar ne 800 dum tar ko pf se ngai ko pf se c katang na te pf c plus haraga 10 by 1000 into 8 haibam into 800 haibam zu wali auna siga ka kre siga 8 tare ko aduna di kaino haibada ihe sorry kai palong cinta ga to isa ya ka si yon jin ga to si sina I cap ne ko aduna di pf ana fazana hot ki si natraga di yaroi yare ko adu bitaraga di si kai tarni pfc have matamda 8 minus cc 100 like si kai you know 100 total mass ni ko and then 8 in the final 8 ne ko 8 minus 800 tiny 8 minus 800 adu di minus kai tarni have the 798 tabra minus 798 I ke puta mal aduna asum side the back side to chalani ko so do yaudre aduga final momentum. So the final velocity acquired by the person and the average force average force exerted on the person person the average force hamnina aina holisi among story person dugi final person du katangi yenga se the person du katangi di mazi my velocity is 8 yaura bane final the count 8 into my mass ina 100 kg ni na 8 into 100 dang hani ko minus 0 kaino di horok pada di si dare nga sai ni ram chumjane o di pi ji na kaino si na okay si pf minus pi duni ko pf na si le ba pi na 0 le ba ko adu raga di si 800 tarni and then divided by total time ji kaino 5 seconds 10 shots right until in 5 seconds 5 ni yelani so adu di 515 so 6 7 8 5 6 30 ko and 0 yes so 160 time aduna 160 is yaudre ka answer ji moi ji kena tok dam ni si answer ta da asi question frag ta ne kya sum na si 24 sub ji na tra
sir.
ye hindu kraba ka moi gi 24 sub ji answer ta da ne to 24 ji moi na e kind of ajil le moi so tok da video ka 24a minus 0.08 kind of high final velocity acquired by the person and the average force exerted on the person average force in a 160 taba ko adu moi gi se jura sa da gum to bune ko aina mamang do hot kibada aduga habidi siga di pabaya da vida adu aina madi oi gibni so final velocity acquired by the person zina si taraga amana si taba gumba sumaina si ni jura si saraga sumain taga da gumba oi gibni ba tai gi kai soi no tanga check to get tuna ko quickly initial momentum 0 gun person gi 100 velocity khang de puthoni gun bullet ki na 10 by 1000 into 800 so c 0 ni ka kre c ni ka kre c ka kre adu be tar ga si 1 tawre so na c 8 tawre 8 to the 100 ni yelaga di 0.08 oh how can I make this mistake ꯑꯁ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ 16 ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯥꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯕꯒ ꯁꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦꯅꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯒꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ 0.08 ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯤ 8ꯇ 100ꯅꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 0.08 ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ 0.08 ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 0.08 ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ 10 into 0.08 is 0.8 ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 0.8 ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ 0.8 ꯃꯤꯇꯔ ꯄꯔ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯃ ꯆꯨꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯖꯨꯔꯥ ꯆꯥꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯃ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯔꯦꯠꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯃ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯃ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯃ 16 ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯗꯤ 10 into ꯀꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ 0.8 ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ 0.8 ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ 0.8 into 10 ꯗꯤ 80 ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ 80 ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ 16 ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯟ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ option A ꯁꯨ B ꯁꯨ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯝꯐꯥꯎ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯦ but the correct option should be the correct answer should be ꯀꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ -0.8 meter per second ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ and 16 ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯟ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ
sir.
ꯉꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯉꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯉꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯜꯂ ꯍꯣꯜꯂ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯒꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯧꯊꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯌꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯦ 8:42 ꯆꯠ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯝꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 25 ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ an explosion blows a rock into 3 parts ꯀꯥꯏ ꯀꯣ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ngomong yun. Ngomong draw. Kanam kumagtre to is.
Sir, ngam-ani.
Ngamani ko. Okay. Question number 26 today. 1 kg stationary bomb is exploded in 3 parts. Part savings. Chama na yung sa hot cube do ko. Ngambam 26. Yo ngam daga ngo. 27 thrown up in the list in the afternoon. Asidi question number 27 today. Question number 27 today. Sir kumo. Rosma, Tabra, Nibia. Saya sendiri hadum kumle. Rosma Tabra. Follow the ribbon a draw. Okay. Okay, fine. Nibia di Tabra, Nibia. Question number 27 is Hiro, Nibia, Rosma, Sanjana, Niha. I know question number 27 I'm doing this. Can you talk about the question? Amadang to Orgaloshal Azibuko, Pungze Adre. Na question number 27 is Namning Musasa in a rover, young Queen Matam Nogunova.
Ngam-ni, sir.
Question number 28 SL in flight explodes into 4 equal parts. Which of the following is conserved? I see the right. Kayo dun haro sa haro. kay conserve oidino a cell in flight explodes into four unequal parts. Which of the following is conserved? Hiro?
Momentum.
Okay, momentum. A shell in flight explodes into four unequal parts. So magi four unequal parts to parallel four unequal parts to momentum conserve hoine bako. Now see question ji tricky when be ai ba. Si kaino mana kem pandam ni na earth ki mathak to paira every earth ki mathak to paibo ergadi external force like gravity like aduna aseng badi momentum do conserve oiroi kaino external force like be na but moina earth pandam ni na space ta ne ba si question je ko haidi interstellar space ta gravity kai ka kem nei ta ba jaga amda shell ama pair la ma ji explode to momentum conserve hoine ba but earth ki surface mathakta explode to body oiroi kaino external force of gravity dum lai bani na ko adu sing do clarity yam lai gadam ne conceptual clarity is very important. Question number 29, a man fires a bullet of mass this at the speed of this, the gun is 1 kg mass. By what velocity the gun rebounds backward? A body of mass 5 kg explodes at rest into 3 blah blah actually equilibrium of a particle. See question number 31 ga 32 ga sigi maraktagi ama khalo adu ga loshela singa sigi ko. So khalo 31 32 jide. Paro adu khalo. I see a particle moving with velocity v is acted by three forces down shown by the vector triangle PQR. Okay, the velocity of the particle will change according to the smallest force. Blah blah. Yo.
T1 yaran.
Yani ya.
Oh.
32D. 32
32.
yadra.
Okay.
Thirty-two Z yadro se hanero. Yam kuino matam loganu 32Z yadra yaroidra hero. Taurus ke Rosmagi je 32 je taurlo shanaba na ha. Taurus ya hayorage simati na sum matam lorni na. Cerna fagi tong ni ko. So yang si. Now three forces acting on a body are shown in the figure to have the resultant force along the y direction. Y direction na dikai chakra matakta. Like magnitude of the minimum additional force needed is na have additional force kya na oiduna have. Adu the C is minus the kaido we have the C this is 4 Newton and this is 2 Newton. Adu ani ji kaktan na ga resultant ji 2 Newton namle ni ko. Auna kaido ni have the net si kai le ni have the 2 Newton. 2 Newton and sida kay sida 1 Newton and aduga kaido ba adu ragadi sigisi c sina 60 ni and sida 30 ragadi obviously c jodum 60 ta jare masana ko aduna net result in som da lay haragadi kay no have the x som ji cancel out to godam ne ko auna c and e cancel out on godo kay no di resultant force to only along the y direction ka haibanina c ga haita c cancel out chana gadam ne masumain so cancel out chat ke di kaina 2 Newton cos 60 na tra auna 2 cos 60 degree minus I cap plus amazina kaina 1 cos 60 degree airga positive I cap should be equal to 0 ne ko adu ibataragadi asomda chakro I cancel chakro cos 60 chakro kaino ina hagito isa adu iragadi potse kaino have the additional force ama daka lai ko ani ji kaino tawdi yadamina aduna additional force kadom da hapkani additional force asomda hapani ko plus plus x I cap is equal to 0 na ko aduna si si kaino have the cos 60 I see kaino have the loin cancel sakre aduna x is equal to harga kai lerni have c ki minus I cap niko si se vector do niko aduna x c kai lerni have the 2 into cos 60 2 into cos 60 di sin 30 ka mane half minus 1 into half the half is equal to 2 di kaino 2 cancel sakre 1 minus half which is equal to half tare x to aduna 0.5 newton tare ko 0.5 newton nama hapsalaga di 0 sakrani ba ko gyan tabra ta dabra sigi force kaino ne ba taya sigi 2 cos 60 degree minus I cap ne ba ko and so ngisina 1 cos 60 degree I cap ne ba ko ani di cancel out chot padinga moy ba aduna another force ama hapsalani ba additional force ama some side x I cap hai ba hapsalaga result 0 chatlamne result y de khatang ngai hore hadi x axis amta leitana ba cancel out chathan bai wani da sum tawraga gyan tabangam bro ngam da bro tarbo
Tarani.
tarni ba ko fare adudi ngasi gidi sida loishalasi ko everyone so noi class laina banina ai sida keno tawrage stop tawrage stop tawun kai chakre recording stop tawun so